Orumwaka abanya NRM barukora imirimo yabo hamwe n'aba bari kutura mu mahanga gaheru nabageraho Oruteerane orukumanyonka NRM Diaspora Symposium. Urwo mwaka ugurukorirwa mu rurembo rwa Pretoria mu ihanga rya South Africa kandi aba bahijuru kongera hantasiya ya Uganda na sente z'urukurenga billioni 5 za dola gwaza kuba mwaka gw'2028.
Our fiscus with the pledge that our target is to increase the remittances of the diaspora and investment into our economy by 2028 to $5 billion. That is not something for granted because we believe that the diaspora again will be able to tap into and improve on our tourism, that so many families in the diaspora can look at Uganda as a tourist destination.
Significant if we cannot expand our markets beyond our borders. This is where, as embassies, our role comes in helping to champion the gospel of prosperity and productivity and the growth that we are witnessing in the Ugandan economy.
Richard Todongo ryo muhandiki mukuru w'ekibina cha NRM bashabirwe NRM aba okongera amano mu kushakira ihanga ryabo.
Then Uganda will be able to bring in the cultural products, be able to add value, get involved into the minerals beneficiation.
They have guided that at this stage, you diaspora, we need to have one voice. We need to have a seat at the SEC, like other leagues. We need to make sure that we have what it takes as a diaspora to make sure that we fit in as a diaspora.
Oruteerane orundugwija ubwanyuma yakireka che President Museveni ahirize kuvugana na mugenzi w'ihanga rya South Africa Cyril Ramaphosa okwikiriza naho kwiyaho kwakuriza abanya-Uganda bari kuzo mu ihangeri na munonga hakutunga za visa ahabwa TV West nde era akiza.